Torque is also a measure of energy, but unlike horsepower, it has nothing to do with time. You can impart if on an object for as long as you wish. Horsepower if force measured over time, but torque is the pressure of converting that force into motion that's useful one at twice the propeller shaft on or an axle. For example, choke causes an object to rotate about axis. It is easier to explain yoke by using an example. If you apply 50 pound force to a twice foot handle socket wrench, you will be applying to yoke turning force of 100 pound feet. I be fitted to the will my cruise ship have a gym? Nearly a cruise ship have fitness centers on board, often as part of the spa complex, and they are always free to use. The exhibition will be robots and small expedition ship that might have a few pieces of workout equipment. Many cruise lines position gyms on high deck with panoramic views. Though others might be on lower decks. Most cruise ship gyms contain various pieces of cardio equipment, treadmills, electrical trainers, station bikes, ethics, resistant training machine free with and mats and group class space generally the never the ship the more high-tech operation you'll find able. Gym amenities vary by cruise line, but most will have water cooler and towels to use, as well as individual TVs on cardio machines. Manado. Performance routine. Duties in cleaning and servicing of waste rooms and but under supervision of housekeeping. Supervisor, cabin steward promotes a positive image to kids and must be pleasant, honest, friendly, and should also able to address kids' requests and problems. Manado. As you return downstairs to B deck, you enter on passenger ship gallery where you have the opportunity to experience the history of passenger ship from the very early transatlantic liners to the modern cruise ship styling the seas today. Manado. Nautical publication is a technical term used to marine circles describing a set of publication either published by national government or by commercial and promotion organization for use as safe navigation of ship, boats, and similar vessels. Other publications might cover topics such as seamanship and cargo operation. In the UK, the United Kingdom Hydrographic Office, the Whitby Publication Group, and the Nautical Institute provide numerous educational publications, including chart publication on how to negative and passage planning publication in the US publication are issued by the US government and US Coast Guard. Cruise ship legendaries several years ago started losing space compared to other concepts that lines taught passengers not only prepared by world generate revenue entered caves, coffee bars, and with so many people reading on tablets or just surfing on their phones for power passenger round books. Over the ice, some lines have done away with libraries altogether, others have preserve them by making them hybrid space like swim bars or caves. Manado. Anchor can either be temporary or permanent. Permanent anchor are used the creation of a mooring and are rarely move a specialist service and normally needed to move or maintain them. Vessel carry one more temporary anchors which may be of different design and weights. A sea anchor is a drag device not in contact with the seabed used to minimize drift a vessel relative to the water. A druggy is a drag device used to slow or help stir our vessel running before a storm in a following or overtanked sea or when crossing a bar in breaking sea. On a ship, the engine room. ER is the compartment where the machinery for marine propulsion is located to increase a vessel safety and chance of serving damage. The machinery necessary for the ship operation might be segregated into various pieces. The engine room is generally the largest physical compartment of the machinery space. It hosts the vessel frame mover, usually someone version of a heat engine, diesel engine, gas, or steam turbine. On some ships, there might be more than one engine room, such as forward and aft or port or starboard engine rooms, or many be simpler numbered. A conference hall, conference room, or meeting room is a room provided for singular events such as business, conference, and meeting. Cruise lines don't take advantage of business and provide this great service complementarily. Norwegian Cruise Line, Carnival, and Celebrity Cruises are geared up for meeting. Complementary use dedicated meeting rooms and groups venues, complementary catered refreshment breaks. Manado.